Hello children, welcome back to social class. Today we are going to see a new chapter, Geography 5, Major Domains of the Earth. Children, that is the chapter. We are discussing now the domains of the Earth, majorly divided into 4 parts. Children, they are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The solid portion of the earth known as lithosphere. Children, the word, if we say lithosphere, it is divided into 2 parts. Children, one is litho and second part is sphere. Children, litho means stone or rock. Children, it means the sphere made of rocks is termed as lithosphere. Children, next come to hydrosphere. Children, hydro means water. So, the part we can see full of water. The watery part of the world is known as hydrosphere. Children, next we are coming to atmosphere. The gaseous part of the world that covers all of us, we can feel it, that is known as atmosphere. In a graphical presentation is, we want to present it, we draw it like, children, this is lithosphere and this is hydrosphere and this is atmosphere. Children, in between the small part, we can see as biosphere. Children, biosphere is everywhere. If you see, we can find life everywhere, either in lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere or it all consigned are biosphere. Children, what are the 4 major domains of the earth? Yes, the 4 major domains of the earth are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Children, the earth is only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of land, water and air are present on the earth. So, the earth is the only planet which has life. Children, what is lithosphere? Yes, the solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. Then atmosphere. Children, what is atmosphere? Yes, the gaseous layer that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Children, where gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Then hydrosphere. Children, what is hydrosphere? Yes, the portion of the earth containing water in the form of ice, water, water vapor, that is called hydrosphere. Children, next one, what is the biosphere? Yes, the zone containing all form of life where all 3 components meet and interact. That place is called biosphere. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air, comprising all forms of life. Children, the word origin in the Greek language. Lithos means stone, atmos means vapor, keuder means water and bios means life. Children, now we are going to discuss about lithosphere. The solid portion of the surface of the earth is called the lithosphere. Children, it is made of the rocks from the earth's crust and the thin layer of soil. Children, there are 2 major divisions of lithosphere, the continents and the ocean basins. Children, the large land masses are known as the continents and the huge water bodies are called the ocean basins. Children, the level of seawater remains the same everywhere. Children, elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. Children, the highest point on land is Mount Everest at 8,848 meters above sea level, and the lowest point is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean at 11,022 meters. Children, do you know 29th May 1953, Ekman Killarey in New Zealand and Tenzing Norway in India were the first men to climb the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. Children, 16th May 1975, Jango Debye in Japan, first woman. 23rd May 1984, the first Indian woman, Pachendra Bal, to climb the highest peak. Children, the greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Children, name the highest mountain peak and the greater depth of sea. Yes, the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meters above sea level. Then, the greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Children, the major rocky part of the earth is consist of all continents. We divided into 7 continents. The name of the continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Children, these are the name of the continents. With all these continents, the earth is, we can say, the lithosphere of earth that is made of all these 7 continents. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about continents. The first one is Asia. Children, Asia is the largest continent and the most populous continent. Children, it covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. Children, Asia lies in eastern and northern hemisphere. Children, the Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Children, Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. Children, which mountain is separated Asia and Europe? Yes, Ural Mountains separated in Asia and Europe. Children, which is the largest continent? Yes, Asia is the largest continent. Children, the combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called the Eurasia. Children, Europe plus Asia, that is Eurasia. Children, Ural Mountains act as a wall between Europe and Asia, and together the 2 continents are called as Eurasia. Children, Asia is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides. Children, next one, Europe. It lies to the west of Asia and it is smaller in size. Children, Europe is the second smallest continent. Children, it lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, Asia in the south, Pacific Ocean in the east, and by the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Children, Arctic Circle passes through it. Europe has 5 countries. Children, Russia is the largest country. Children, which is the largest country in Europe? Yes, Russia is the largest country in Europe. Then most of the world's developed nations lies in this continent. Children, which is the second smallest continent? Yes, Europe is the second smallest continent. Children, next one, Africa. Do you know, children, Africa is the second largest continent? Yes, Africa is the second largest continent. Children, the equator almost divides in Africa. Children, the major part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Children, the interesting thing is that this is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn also pass. Then the world's largest desert, Sahara, is also located in Africa. Children, which is the largest desert in the world? Yes, Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. It is located in Africa. Children, the world's longest river Nile also flows through Africa. Children, which is the second largest continent? Yes, Africa is the second largest continent. Children, next one, North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. Children, North America is linked to South America by a thin strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Children, the North America lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. Children, there are oceans surround it. They are the Pacific Ocean on the west, the Atlantic Ocean on the east and the Arctic Ocean on the north. Children, which is the third largest continent? Yes, North America is the third largest continent in the world. Children, next one, South America. Children, South America lies completely in the southern hemisphere and is surrounded by the southern Pacific Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Children, the world's longest mountain range, the Andes, and the largest river in the world, the Amazon, are the part of South America. Children, what is isthmus? A narrow strip of land joining two land masses. Children, a narrow strip of land bordered on both sides by water, connecting two layer bodies of land, is called isthmus. Children, next one, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is surrounded by water on all sides. Children, Australia lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas. So, it is called an island continent. Children, which is the island continent? Yes, Australia is the island continent. Why? Because it is surrounded on all sides by oceans. Children, last one, Antarctica. Children, it is completely southern hemisphere. It is a continent larger than Europe and Australia put together. Children, South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. Hence, the continent is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. Children, it has no permanent human settlements. Children, it is a polar region and is covered in thick sheets of ice. So, there are no permanent human settlement. Children, India has research stations in Antarctica named Dakshin, Gangotri, Maitri and Bharati. So, India has research station in Antarctica. Children, next we are going to discuss about hydrosphere. Children, I told you hydrosphere is mostly held by all the oceans, water bodies of the earth. That is known as hydrosphere. Children, the earth is a blue planet. Why? Because more than 71% of earth is covered with water. Children, hydrosphere consists of water in all its form. It includes the water in rivers, lakes, oceans and glaciers. Children, 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, giving it the name blue planet. Children, why Earth is blue planet? Because it covers 71% of water. Children, the hydrosphere is made of the oceans and the seas, the rivers and the lakes, the ice in the glaciers and the water vapor in the air. Children, more than 97.5% of water is in the oceans and is too salty for human use. Children, the rest in fresh water, but it is kept in glaciers and icebergs, and very little of it is freely available for human use from lakes and rivers. Children, only 2.5% fresh water for human use. Children, next one, oceans. Oceans are huge water bodies and major part of the hydrosphere. Children, the three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides and ocean currents. Children, there are 5 major oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Children, how many oceans in the world? Yes, there are 5 major oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Children, first one, Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean and it is covered 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Children, it is covered 1/3 of the Earth's surface. It is the largest ocean. Children, which is the largest ocean in the world? Yes, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is circular in shape. Children, it is surrounded by Asia, Europe, North America and South America. Children, what are the continents surrounded by Pacific Ocean? Yes, Asia, Europe, North America and South America. Children, next one, Atlantic Ocean. Children, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. It is S-shaped. Children, Atlantic Ocean is surrounded by North America, South America, Europe and Africa. Children, it has an irregular and indented coastal line, so it has many natural ports and harbors. Children, commercially it is the busiest ocean. Children, which is the second largest ocean in the world? Yes, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. What are the continents surrounded by Atlantic Ocean? Yes, it is surrounded by North America, South America, Europe and Africa. Children, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean from the points of view of commerce. Next one, Indian Ocean. Children, Indian Ocean is named after India and is almost triangular in shape. It is surrounded by Asia, Africa and Australia. Children, in the north, it is bounded by Asia, by Africa in the west and by Australia in the east. Indian Peninsula divides it into 2 parts. Children, what are the 2 parts? The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Children, next one, Southern Ocean. Children, Southern Ocean, it is surrounded by Antarctica. It is extends northward to 60 degree south latitude. Children, then last one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is named after the Arctic Circle and it is surrounds the North Pole. Children, it is connected to the Pacific Ocean with the Bering Strait and is surrounded by North America and Eurasia. Children, where is located Arctic Ocean? Yes, the Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. Children, next we are going to discuss about atmosphere. The layer of gases surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere. Children, atmosphere is the thin blanket of air that gives us oxygen to breathe and protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Children, the envelope of air surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere. Children, it provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects to the sun's rays. Children, it stretches up to 1600 kilometers and is divided into 5 layers. Children, atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on temperature, composition and other properties. Starting from the surface, these layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The density and temperature of each layer changes with height and the decrease as we go further upwards. Children, the atmosphere has 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and other gases make up the remaining 1%. Children, oxygen is the breath of life while nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms. Then carbon dioxide is present in the air in minute amount but is very important. Children, oxygen and nitrogen help in the growth of living beings, whereas carbon dioxide absorbs the heat of the sun and keeps the planet warm. Children, what are the different layers of atmosphere? Yes, the different layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Children, the atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth and the amount of pressure varies from place to place. Children, air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas and moving air is called wind. Children, what is air pressure? How is wind formed? Yes, the atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth due to weight in the air. Thus, air pressure is the weight of the air. Then, pressures varies from place to place. Children, the difference in air pressure makes the air move. Children, moving air is known as wind. It means wind is formed due to the difference in air pressure. Children, next we are going to discuss about biosphere. Children, biosphere is the narrow line of contact between the three spheres and it is in the biosphere where all life exists. All organisms from the smallest to the largest depend on each other and on the biosphere. Children, living organisms are divided into two parts. One is the animal kingdom and another one is the plant kingdom. Children, what is the biosphere and what are the major features of biosphere? Yes, The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air, comprising all forms of life. The major features of biosphere: there are several species of organisms in the biosphere. Children, all the living organisms including human are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. Children, the three domains interact with each other and affect all life. Industries release a lot of carbon dioxide and cause global warming. Children, what is global warming? Increase in industries had led to increase in pollution. Then carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air, but increase in amount of carbon dioxide due to human activities has led to increase in global temperature. This is termed as global warming. For example, cutting of forests, cleaning land for agriculture, earthquake, tsunami, waste disposal into water bodies, industrial, vehicular emission. Children, but increase in the amount of carbon dioxide leads to increase in global temperatures. So, limited usage of resources to maintain the balance of nature. Children, what are the importance of biosphere? Biosphere sustains all life forms. Then it provides food to them. Biosphere provides stage to all forms of life to act open. It should be pollution free because pollution is injurious to life forms. Okay children, now I am going to give quick revision. Children, in this lesson we learn about major domains of the earth, majorly divided into 4 parts. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Children, first we learn lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Yes, the solid portion of the earth known as lithosphere. Then we learn atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Yes, the gaseous envelope that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Then we learn hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? Yes, the area containing water is called hydrosphere. Children, next we learn biosphere. Children, biosphere is everywhere. If you see, we can find life everywhere, either in lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, or it all consigned or biosphere. Everywhere we can find life. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about book exercise. Children, first one, tick the correct answers. Children, first question, the mountain range that separates Europe from Asia is option 1, the Andes, option 2, the Himalayas, option 3, the Urals. Correct answer is option 3, the Urals. Children, the mountain range that separates Europe from Asia is the Urals. Children, second question, the continent of North America is linked to South America by option 1, an isthmus, option 2, a strait, option 3, a canal. The answer is option 1, an isthmus. Children, the continent of North America is linked to South America by an isthmus. Third question, the major constituent of atmosphere by percent is option 1, nitrogen, option 2, oxygen, option 3, carbon dioxide. The answer is option 1, nitrogen. Children, the major constituent of atmosphere by percent is nitrogen. Fourth question, the domain of the earth consisting of solid rocks is option 1, the atmosphere, Option 2, the hydrosphere. Option 3, the lithosphere. The correct answer is option 3, the lithosphere. Children, the domain of the earth consisting of solid rocks is the lithosphere. Fifth question, what is the largest continent? Option 1, Africa. Option 2, Asia. Option 3, Australia. The answer is option 2, Asia. Children, which is the largest continent? Yes, Asia. Children, second one, fill in the blanks. Children, first question, the deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. Answer is Mariana Trench. Children, the deepest point on the earth is Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Second question, the dash ocean is named after a country. Yes, the answer is Indian Ocean. Children, the Indian Ocean is named after a country. Third question, the dash is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. Yes, the answer is biosphere. Children, the biosphere is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. Fourth question, the continents of Europe and Asia together are known as dash. The answer is Mount Everest. The highest mountain peak on the earth is Mount Everest. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 5, Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. This lesson worksheet, check your answer in your worksheet. Children, first Roman multiple choice questions. First question, the Ashwamedha was the sacrifice of the dash. Option A, horse. Option B, cow. Option C, bull. Option D, goat. Children, the correct answer is option A, horse. Children, the Ashwamedha was the sacrifice of the horse. Children, second question, which of these groups of people were not allowed to take part in the ritual after the Ashwamedha? Option A, Vish or Vaishyas. Option B, priests. Option C, women. Option D, Sudras. The answer is option D, Sudras. Third question, the two words that constitute the word Janapta mean dash. Option A, women and foot. Option B, citizens and foot. Option C, men and hand. Option D, courts and rajas. The answer is citizens and foot. Children, the two words that constitute that word Janapta mean citizens and foot. Children, fourth question, Alexander was a ruler who lived in dash. Option A, Slovenia. Option B, Greece. Option C, Rome. Option D, Macedonia. The answer is Macedonia. Children, Alexander was a ruler who lived in Macedonia. Children, eighth question, on which river banks did Alexander's trip stop? Option A, Indus. Option B, Ganga. Option C, Narmada. Option D, Beas. The answer is Beas. Children, on which river bank did Alexander's trip stop? Beas. Children, ninth question, Vaji had its capital city at dash. Option A, Rajagriha. Option B, Vaishali. Option C, Patna. Option D, Magadha. The answer is Vaishali. Children, Vaji had its capital city at Vaishali. Children, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, some changes took place in the ways of choosing new Rajas about dash years ago. The answer is 300 years ago. Second question, Purnakila was a settlement in a Janaptha and is now located in dash. The answer is New Delhi. Children, third question. Archaeologists have discovered that people in Janaptha lived in dash. The answer is Kutch. Fourth question. Painted clay ware is a type of dash. The answer is pottery. Fifth question. The taxes on crops were called dash. The answer is Baha. Children, the taxes on crops were called Baha. Children, sixth question. Herders were supported to pay taxes in the form of dash. The answer is animals and animal produce. Children, seventh question. Come across was a word used for dash. The answer is landless agricultural laborers. Children, come across was a word used for landless agricultural laborers. Eighth question. A ruler called dash extended the control of Magadha up to the northwest part of the subcontinent. The answer is Mahabhatmananda. Children, a ruler called Mahabhatmananda extended the control of Magadha up to the northwest part of the subcontinent. Children, next one, third Roman, match the following. Children, first question, Magadha, the answer is Magajanapatha. Second question, Kastinapur, the answer is Janaptha. Children, the third question, Baha, answer is taxes. Fourth question, Vaishali, the answer is capital city of Vaji. Children, fifth question, Diha Nehaya, the answer is Buddhist book. Children, next Roman, fourth Roman, very short answer type questions. First question, name a ritual used to recognize someone as a Raja. The answer is Asameta was one ritual used to recognize kings. Third question, name two Janapthas in North India. The answer is Kastinapur and Astrangera. Third question, how were cities fortified? Yes, cities were fortified by building huge walls of wood, brick or stone around them. Fourth question, which rulers conquered the last of the Ganas or Sangas? The Gupta rulers conquered the last of the Ganas or Sangas. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about Geography chapter 5, major domains of the earth. Question and answers. Children, first Roman, answer the following questions. First question, what are the four major domains of the earth? Yes, the four major domains of the earth are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Children, the four major domains of the earth. What are the four domains? Yes, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Children, name the major continents of the earth. Yes, there are 7 continents. What are the 7 continents? Yes, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Children, name the different layers of atmosphere. Yes, the different layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay children, now fourth question. Why is the earth called the blue planet? Yes, more than 70% of the earth is covered with water. Hence, it is known as the blue planet. Children, from outer face the earth looks blue as 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Thus, earth is called the blue planet. Children, differentiate between strait and isthmus. Children, the answer is strait is narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans, whereas isthmus is a narrow strip of land joining two land masses. Children, the water body connecting two large water bodies is called strait. Children, a narrow strip of land joining two land masses is called isthmus. Okay children, I hope you all understand this chapter clearly. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.